99% of renovations are just patchwork. The Big Brother sneers, renovation is not enough. If you want to play thoroughly, a complete rebirth and reconstruction, this is an epic of steel. Not for anything else, just for this solitary pride. Follow the Big Brother's perspective to see what true renovation means. Brother, grab the tools. Let's get started on this old buddy.
Workers and capital. Labour and capital must properly divide tasks.
Now it's just the exterior and interior stripped bare. Does this scene make your heart race? The engine and chassis, of course, also need to be stripped bare.
Brother Ma is supervising on site.
Remove this 6.2 big engine. Then take down the rear axle and fuel tank. The front speed limiter also needs to be removed. The owner reported shaking and weak acceleration, so let's disassemble and reassemble it. Enter carbon footprint.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
This leaking pot, the glue applied by the previous repair shop, must be removed.
Disassembly complete. All parts are ultrasonically cleaned.
The transmission is disassembled and a lot of metal shavings are found. The friction plates are severely scorched, similar to clutch wear. Replace the seals and scorched friction plates and begin reassembly. Test for air tightness.
Easily leaves iron filings.
After finishing with the transmission, proceed with the engine. One person per machine, start assembling.
A main reason for the engine overhaul is severe scoring on the bearings. Fortunately, the owner overhauled it in time to avoid a shaft failure and greater damage.
Extend the torque, tighten the bolts.
Replace everything, big and small.
The engine assembly is complete, starting the bodywork, sandblasting the entire car to transform it back to its state on the production line. The highest standard of old car refurbishment, full car electropharesis. Only electropharesis can truly restore an old car to its peak condition when it left the factory. This is a complete transformation from the inside out. First, perform main degreasing to remove oil stains and impurities from the car body surface.
Remove the residual chemicals from the vehicle body.
Begin surface adjustment. Oiling the metal surface is microstate, further enhancing metal adhesion, ensuring the electrophoretic paint adheres firmly. Core step before electrophoresis, phosphating. A dense phosphate crystal film is formed on the car body surface, creating an anchoring effect for the metal structure, making the electrophoretic paint bond more firmly.
The final ultimate step, electrophoresis. Driven by electric current, negatively charged hydrogen ions precisely flow towards the positively charged car body, evenly absorbing and covering 360 degrees without dead angles. Sent into a high-temperature oven, cured at 170 degrees to achieve a hard and smooth ultimate protective layer. Begin the top plate renovation, completely dismantling the front and rear axles.
Address aging and rust by sandblasting all chassis parts. After sandblasting, apply a 2-component epoxy primer to enhance the rust resistance of the parts. Then apply chassis diamond paint, which is scratch resistant and durable. Once all components are refurbished, begin reassembling the chassis.
Original brake disc must be arranged.
The front and rear axles have been refurbished, sprayed with 3M chassis armor, enhancing complete rust and scratch resistance and also providing good shock absorption.
Refurbish the wiring harness before reinstallation. Clean the wiring harness.
Use a special cleaner to clean the plug. Rewrap the exposed wiring harness. As usual, it's time for the magic moment.
The entire car's soundproofing must use expensive materials.
The appearance and interior have been restored, renovation completed.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.